Rod J, Rod Buys Cash, Get Paid Network checking in on the way to a Marietta property that we actually already have under contract. So I'm going to show you that property. We're going to walk through it, take a look around, and comment below, tell me what you think. And matter of fact, what we're going to do is we're going to do a giveaway. We're going to do a giveaway, and we're going to start the giveaway next week. So watch the video to the end of the video, and I'll give away the details on the giveaway. So anyhow, headed to this Marietta property. We'll holler at you when we get there. Stay tuned. We're in. If you have a property that you want to get rid of, you can give us a call. We'll do the same for you. 404-997-3555. Or you can check us out online, rodbuyscash.com.
Half a mile, turn left on Cambridge Court.
Alright, so we've just arrived over here at this Marietta property, and we're about to get some video footage of it. You might have seen a little bit of video footage of the neighborhood as we were pulling in. If you haven't seen it yet, I'll make sure I'll add that clip in, so you'll see that in a second if you haven't already. Anyhow, about to go see what the inside looks like, and let's see where we go from there. Now, we actually already have this property under contract, so this is going to be one of the properties that we're either going to close on and rehab, or we're going to go ahead and just sell it wholesale. You see I got my mask on, about to head inside. Still coronavirus season, so gotta have your mask on. This is the subject property, and as you see, this property is almost hidden in this area. You can barely even see it. I mean, for this to be Cobb County, this being Cobb County, this is a pretty tough looking house. It's in pretty bad shape. I think we got some animals running around back here. Try to keep my eyes peeled. So as you see, the back is boarded up and falling apart and everything. Yep. This is definitely a fixer-upper. Wow, there's a door up there. So we already know that that's a deck that's missing. All right, let's see what else we got. Now, one thing I can say is, as you've seen when we pulled in the neighborhood, this is an extremely nice neighborhood. So for this house to be in this type of condition in this neighborhood, that's amazing. But we're gonna be going inside, so let's see that inside. So I came over to this side of the house. It's all type of stuff I didn't see. But hey, let's see what you get. Yeah, so this one's definitely in some rough shape, but hey, that's how they come. Let's take a look at the inside. I wonder if we got the code right and we just can't figure out how to open this stupid lockbox. Alright, so we've been dealing with this lockbox for roughly the past 30-45 minutes. And the person who gave us the lockbox code doesn't have the correct lockbox code. So we can't get inside. So anyhow, we're going to be continued on this video. But I guarantee you this is going to be a great property. Like I said, we already have this one locked down. But some negotiations might be in order. Take a look. So you see what the front looks like as far as notes and stuff all on the door. So this is definitely a project that is in the making. But anyhow, so we're about to head out from this property. Rod J, Rod Buys Cash. Stay tuned. This one will be continued.
Y'all better watch the way you talk to my client, homie, start walking. Wait a minute, will a nigga really get it if I go off? I gotta prove it to him. I think I'm Big Meat, Larry Hoover.